Hi folks, Jeff here at Global Industrial. We have hidden in the depths of the shop here, we have a 50 horsepower Quincy water-cooled air compressor, and it comes with a Hankison 280 SCFM air dryer. These units were pulled out of an engineering and testing facility and were operational when they were pulled. We have maintenance records on the unit and a few extra filters. So if you have any questions, call me at 414-305-7292, or you can email me at jeff@gibuys.com. There will be some specifications on the link below, and also just hang around at the end of the video, guys. We'll have some specs rolling down as credits and also a few photographs for you. We really hope to hear from you. Have a wonderful day.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Now let's go back to the start.